Bro, this thing is insane. Look at this Gallardo, bro. Carbon fiber hood is probably worth more than my car, for sure. From, I think it's like Tesla swap or something. That's sick, bro. What the heck? I just want to know what this is. Got a 5.0 on the tire. Let's try it out. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We are currently headed to one of the biggest cars and coffees around us. We are about an hour away. It's about to start as we speak, so we're running a little bit late, I'm not gonna lie. Bro, I literally left my house probably like, what, like 10 minutes ago? Within the span of like 10 minutes, we've seen like 5 cops, bro. I literally told myself I'm not driving the car with no bumper anymore. But here we are. That is low-key a sign, bro, for me to get a mid-mount kit. I'm thinking about just getting rid of this kit and just making a mid-mount kit, because it's cool. I love seeing my turbo kit like rolling, but I kind of want to go for a more stock look, to be honest. All right, guys, we made it, and look what I just see. A Nardo GTR. Is it Nardo? Must be nice, sir. Trying to race? Oh, bro, one of my childhood dream cars. That's probably the best gen Viper, bro. Oh my goodness, must be nice. Another another GTR. Alright, guys, pull up to the meet, and the first thing I see is this crazy S2000. He says he makes a similar power, and he actually said he's down to give me a ride along, so probably be interesting. He's gonna start it up. Is that a Tome? eBay told me. $35 right there. $35. It's actually pretty quiet. We tuned it out so it doesn't like fucking over-rev. But it takes me like 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and check out what's here. It's kind of late already, but I mean, there's still a couple of cars. Let's start with the supercars. Yes, sir. Bro, this thing is insane. Dude, I need one. I think I need one now. I'm not gonna lie. The Z? No. Look at this Gallardo, bro. Carbon fiber hood is probably worth more than my car, for sure. This thing is so sick. Like, really? Carbon diffuser. While here, VQ. Sure enough. My peoples. Oh, the new Z's right there. What do you think, bro? Should I get one? Yeah, you should. Damn. Look, 350Z and the 400. Or the Nissan Z or whatever.
Is this a wrap?
Yeah, it's a wrap. Bro, this thing is sick. I think I need one, bro. This or a Supra? Just know.
I think it's Supra.
Subaru?
Supra, my bad.
Yeah, I don't know. This or a Supra. I'm lucky. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm thinking about it. If I get rid of the Q50, that could be a possibility. Damn, this 370Z is super clean. Gray with the black chrome RPF ones. Clean. Got a white one. We got the V1. This was just chilling over here. I was walking and then this completely broke my neck. Must be nice. Oh, bro. This actually used to be one of my dream cars as a kid. I really wanted an IS300 and just make it like a crazy build. Oh, and the ISF. I was actually looking at one of these before getting the Q50, but in my opinion, they were just too expensive for the year. But this thing is beautiful. Beautiful, literally. And they sound so good. Have you heard one of these? I don't know what that is. But that's so sick, bro. Imagine driving that. Imagine a 2J swap. Look at this Corvette over here.
Could you do 600?
So sick. It's for sale too. For sure, can't afford it. Huh? 115,000? Really?
Yeah.
I thought it would be more. 150,000 for this. Which one are you guys taking, the C8 or the C7? 100% going with the C7, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like C8s at all. But out of all Corvettes, I think that the C6s are my favorite. A C6 ZR1 is literally goals, bro. Oh, you see, like one of these is perfect, bro. C6 Z06. Perfect, literally. I need one before I die. Heads cam. Oh my gosh. That's probably my favorite Lamborghini, I think, out of all. Whoa. Dude, you can just feel the heat. Those are so sick, bro. The new G80s, beautiful. We got the new Supras. I know it's new because of the wheels. I could bet money it's manual, bro. Literally what I want. What do you guys think? A manual Supra, an auto Supra, or a Z? The new Z. I think for content, bro, I'm not gonna lie, I think the Z will do better. Bro, imagine going with all the boys and this thing to Vegas.
To Vegas?
Oh, bro, I didn't even notice that. The track hawk on the full weld setup with the B-locks in the back. Okay, sir, bagged. Okay, I see you. You're a snack. I don't know about that one, but I'm just kidding. Nah, I probably am a snack. This thing is probably fast. Must be nice, sir. Gotta show love to the Z homies. Two V1 Nismos. V1 Nismos on the Nismo 57s. Perfect. Perfect setup. Oh, I love when Tomies stick up like that, bro. I love it. If I ever get a 370, I'm placed like that. Looks so sick. The hood's popped. What is over here? Manifold. Look like my intakes. Whoa, we got the honeycomb. No matter how many times I see GTRs, I just never get tired of seeing them. Can't wait, bro. Let's cop one of these soon. What the? Bro, I didn't even see this.
Wide body.
Super wide body, Z. 370. Did you say a 370? Ah, slappy. Oh no way, bro! This is the one that's, I think it's from like Tesla. Yeah, from, I think it's like Tesla swap or something. That's sick, bro. What the heck? There's no way, bro. That's crazy. Literally, that's crazy, bro. How do you tell? It's Tesla swap, right?
Yeah.
How do you Tesla swap a Z? Out of all cars, a Z.
That's dope.
My respects, bro. I don't know how you did that, but my respects. Look at this crazy Evo right here. That color is so sick. Everybody's looking at these supercars. I'm looking at this Evo. So sick, bro. So clean. I just want to know what this is. What the? I don't even know what I'm looking at. That boy got the sparkle shoes. I was about to record that Viper, but I heard this FD over here. I'm gonna get a close up on that one, bro. I came looking at this. What the? 17 plus GTR are just so freaking perfect, bro. Oh yeah, that FD does sound sick. But now I'm just looking at this GTR. Forget the FD, bro. I don't care about it. It's crazy how a stock GTR looks so freaking good, bro. I'm just keep walking around, bro, and keep getting surprised by these cars. It looks like a mafia boss, and it's right-hand drive. You want a water?
What am I looking at?
Want a water? Want a tissue? This had to have belonged to like a mafia boss at one point of its life. Toyota Crown. Oh, there's one right next to it too. Bro, that's crazy. Hey, look, bro, it's the one from Cars. The dude that owns the tire shop. Alright, guys, we're gonna get out of here. A lot of people left already, but let's hope we run into something on the freeway, bro. On the way home, ran into this clean 370Z on the gram lights. I love those tail lights, bro. Guys, we literally been sitting in traffic since we left. Literally, that's me right now. Cali sucks. Look, I'm yelling right now as we speak. We have an 8. I was hoping to catch a race with something, but there is nothing, bro. Nothing. I should have raced the S2K.
Yeah, we should have.
I think he said he was at a meetup one day though, so I'm down. But yeah, gonna go grab a bite to eat. Once this traffic clears up.
2,000 years later.
Time to grub. Shout out to Eric for the food. Just dig in, just like that. Got a 5 foot on the tire. Let's try it out. Good shit, dog. What's done to it? Oh, hell yeah. Oh, okay, sick. Oh, sick. Single turbo. Yeah. Thank you, bro. I fucking spun. Yeah, low key.
Low key, bro, when you grab that other gear, that shit fucking like, oh.
Super cool owner. Full bolt on 85 on the big ass drag pack. I'm shaking, bro. I still got the adrenaline in me. Dope owner though. It was super cool. Alright guys, we made it back home safely in one piece and with no tickets. Super grateful for that. Especially the last part. I did see like 10 cops today, so seeing cops with no bumper is not the best thing. But anyways, I'm super tired guys. I'm on like 2 hours of sleep. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a shower and take a nap, bro, because I'm falling asleep as we speak. But hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Hope you guys all enjoyed the little race. I did spin a little bit. Pretty much out of second gear I spun, and once I gripped, well, you guys seen what happened. Very fast car though, I'm not gonna lie. Very fast 5.0, very clean car, and very cool dude. If you guys enjoyed the video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys will know whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.